Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ryan here with a new project. Today we're going to be working on some coffee coasters. A couple months ago I used my Maslow M2 to cut these out. We're using 1/2 inch oak to create roughly 4 inch coasters. So we're going to cut them out with the M2 using a 16th inch router bit, and then we're going to come back and use epoxy to seal them. Let's get started. So here's our starting piece of material. Like I said, it's a 1/2 inch thick, 5.5 inches wide, 48 inches long piece of oak I picked up for Lowe's. At the time of making this video, it was about $18, and we'll be able to get around 11 coasters out of this one piece. I'm gonna start by using 100 grit sandpaper and then go to 220 sandpapers. To load it on the M2, what I've done is, because it's so skinny and thin, and even though I sand it, it's still relatively rough, I put MDF board on either side so the M2 sled has a nice smooth working surface to ride on, and it won't get caught up or drag on the grain or become lopsided and shift, which is one of the issues I had the first time I cut out the coasters.
Okay, here we are on Inventables using their easel program. Right here I have my 5 designs that I'm going to cut out onto the drink coasters. Over here we have the image preview showing exactly what each design is going to look like when it's cut out. On this separate page I have the actual outside of the drink coasters laid out, and then the preview over here. The reason why I do this is because I want to use a 1/4 inch bit to get these cut out. The 1/4 inch bit can take out more material at a faster pace than a 16th inch bit and won't be damaged as quickly, while the 16th inch bit will do the bulk of the detail work that a 1/4 inch bit would not be capable of doing. My cut time preview says 42 minutes. I anticipate it's probably going to take about 50. And then it's telling me that the 1/4 inch bit's going to take 26 minutes, and that's probably about accurate. So we'll just go up to here to the project and download the G code and get started on cutting.